Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with Upwork step by step clearly. First, create an Upwork account if you don't have one. Ensure your profile is complete and showcases your skills. Add a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Write a compelling bio that highlights your expertise and experience. Include relevant work samples to demonstrate your capabilities. Set competitive pricing for your services to attract clients. Use targeted keywords in your profile description to improve visibility. Search for projects that align with your skills and interests. Apply to jobs that you feel confident tackling. Personalize each proposal to address the client's specific needs. Highlight how your skills can solve their problems. Maintain clear and prompt communication with potential clients. Once hired, deliver quality work to build a positive reputation. Ask for feedback and reviews after completing projects. Use positive testimonials to enhance your profile. Identify your strengths and focus on projects that leverage them. Scale your business by raising your rates as you gain experience. Consider upselling additional services to existing clients. Utilize Upwork's invoicing system to keep your finances organized. Network within the Upwork community to find collaboration opportunities. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and projects. Stay consistent with your applications to increase your chances of success. Monitor industry trends to adapt your services accordingly. Keep track of your time spent on projects for effective billing. Invest time in building relationships with clients for long-term partnerships. Evaluate your workload and consider outsourcing when necessary. Continuously refine your approach based on feedback and outcomes. Set specific goals for your business to measure your growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.